At the end of this assignment, you will be able to explain what is meant by a mouse and list the different mouse pointers. A pointing device is one with which you can control the movement of the pointer to select items on a screen. Pointing devices provide a comfortable interface with the system unit by accepting pointing gestures and converting them into machine-readable input. Examples of pointing devices include the mouse, joystick, touchscreen, light beam, and stylus. Almost every personal computer has a tool attached to it which is called a mouse. It is about the same size as a real mouse and has a wire or cable attached to the back of it. On the screen, there is a special icon known as a mouse pointer or cursor. A mouse can have 1, 2, or more buttons which are used to select options and to control the mouse pointer. Some mice have a wheel button that can be rotated to scroll through information displayed on the screen. The movement of the mouse is translated into signals that tell the computer how to move the on-screen pointer. The direction in which it moves controls the direction the pointer moves on the screen. You have reached the end of the assignment. You have learned what is a mouse, the different mouse pointers. At the end of this assignment, you will be able to explain the techniques of using a mouse. You need to know 5 techniques to use a mouse. Pointing. This means moving the mouse pointer from its current position on the screen to the object of interest on the screen. For example, pointing to a hyperlink on a web page. Clicking. This means to pressing and releasing the left mouse button. Clicking indicates selection of an object. For example, when the mouse pointer is pointing a hyperlink on a web page and you click on it, you are taken to the new page indicated. Double-clicking. This means clicking the left button of the mouse fast twice in succession. For example, if you want to open a Word document that is available on the desktop, you point the mouse pointer on it and double-click to open it. This is normally referred to as drag and drop. Dragging means moving the mouse pointer on an object, pressing or holding the left mouse button down, and then moving the mouse pointer. The release of the mouse button after moving the object to a specific location is called dropping. For example, you may use this method to copy or move documents from one location to another. Right-clicking. This means clicking the right button of the mouse. Usually, it is used to display a shortcut drop-down menu or context menu. For example, when you are on the desktop, right-clicking displays a menu for performing various operations such as setting desktop properties. You have reached the end of the assignment. You have learned techniques of using a mouse. At the end of this assignment, you will be able to describe the types of mice, explain the utility of a mouse pad, and list the ways in which a mouse can be connected. There are several types of mice. Some of the basic designs are as follows. Mechanical. This has a rubber or metal ball on its underside that can roll in all directions. Mechanical sensors within the mouse detect the direction the ball is rolling and move the screen pointer accordingly. It is attached with a cord to the system unit. This is the same as a mechanical mouse, but uses optical sensors to detect the motion of the ball. This uses a laser to detect the movement of the mouse. It responds more quickly and precisely than mechanical and optomechanical mice, but it is also more expensive. This mouse is a battery-powered cordless device that uses radio waves or infrared light waves to communicate with the system unit. The mousepad is the most popular mouse accessory available and is used with most mice. It provides a smooth surface for the mouse to move across. Most optical mice do not require a mousepad, as they are designed to be used on any flat surface. A mousepad is sometimes required when using optomechanical mice because the ball requires the extra friction of the mousepad to roll smoothly. You may connect your mouse to your computer in one of the following ways. Serial mice connect directly to a PS2 port or a USB port. This is the simplest type of connection. PS2 mice connect to a PS2 port. USB mice connect to a USB port. Cordless mice are not physically connected. They use infrared or radio waves to communicate with the computer. You have reached the end of the assignment. You have learned types of mice, utility of a mousepad, and ways in which a mouse can be connected.